Honda cars blank in Japan. Made or make or made. Well, this is a passive sentence, so focus with me, guys. Who makes Honda cars? The Japanese, right? So the original sentence should be the Japanese make Honda cars. This is the subject, this is the verb, and this is the object. Here we'll start with Honda cars, the object. Always remember, when you start a sentence with an object, it's passive. And the passive is be plus past participle. Be is, am, is, are, was, were. Here we have are and are. Now we need a past participle. Make is wrong. It's a base verb. Made is a past participle. So this is the correct answer. Are made. Honda cars are made in Japan. Passive sentence. She said you blank her best friend. Are, were. Are is present. Were is past. The verb said here is past. So we use were here. She said you were her best friend. You answer this one. A lot of people blank to the party. Invited, were invited. This sentence starts with the object because the original sentence is I invited a lot of people. Look, a lot of people is the object here. So the sentence is passive. So what's the answer? Let me know in the comments.